This is a mid-19th century French carriage clock, gilded case. Now I'm just going to run through simple instructions on how to wind, set and regulate this one. As you can sort of see from the front, you got the brigade hands, you've got minute, hour, and also you've got an alarm hand. Now we'll just turn it round. You'll see, if I just open up the back. In the back, you've got the regulator coming down here. This is the alarm wind. This is for the time side. This is time side set, and also the alarm set. On the alarm set, you'll notice that it was an arrow. Make sure you only turn that in the, as you're looking at it, clockwise direction. And with regards to setting the hands, it's very important that you turn it clockwise when looking at the hands. So anyway, got a key. And this is wound in an anti-clockwise direction. Now, if you're afraid to wind it fully, what you'll find is the clock will only go for 3 or 4 days. But wind it all the way to the end. As part of the service on this clock, we've had the mainsprings out, and the mainsprings have all been checked.
So sometimes we call that a natural stop, don't we? You wind it till you feel a bit of a pressure and feel that natural stop. Yeah.
And then to set the time, just place the other end of the key on the square there, and just look at it, and you can turn the hands, as I say, just turn the hands in a forward direction only. If it's only a few moments out, providing the alarm hand isn't close by, you can just turn it back up just a few minutes. It won't hurt too much, but don't go too far with it. And then for the, if I go back to the other side, you then got the alarm at the top. Again, this is a winding in an anti-clockwise direction. I'm just going to wind that. I'm not going to go all the way because it's going to go on forever. So you've also done the bottom. You've got the handset for the alarm. So I'll just turn that round. You can sort of see there. I'm just going to turn it around to roughly 10 o'clock.
Okay, so I'm just going to reiterate that. So the winding for the spring for the alarm, the winding for the spring to tell the time for the clock to actually work, that's all done by looking at the back and then winding anti-clockwise.
That's correct.
But when you're actually setting the hands for the alarm or setting the hands for the time, you're going to wind it from the back, but you look at the front and then make sure you're going in a clockwise forwards direction.
Exactly. Okay. So I'm now going to forward the hands round and clockwise direction is looking at it until the alarm goes off. And it's going to go off any moment. The alarm itself will come to a natural stop. There is no stop function on it.
That'll wake you up in the morning.
That's the idea. I put a little bit more wind on that than I realised. Okay.
How often do you have to wind those two up? So you said about the timekeeping, it should last 8 days if you wind it fully.
Exactly. And if you want the alarm to go off, you'll need to wind it when you want the alarm to go off.
So will it need another wind now?
If you wanted the alarm to be set for 10 AM or 10 PM, it will go off every 12 hours.
And so, the going off, that uses up the wind? That
uses up the entire wind for the alarm.
I see. Okay, so you need to wind it again if you want it to go off tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to reset this to time. And it's just gone 4 o'clock this afternoon.
4:14.
Thank you. And there. So that is now all ready to go to the customer.